Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a 2006 Ram 2500 Cummins. It's a quad cab long bed truck. And this truck may look a little bit familiar because we have actually already sold this truck on the channel, and the gentleman modified it pretty heavily, and then we ended up acquiring it back to do some financial difficulties in his life. He only put about 4,000 miles on this truck since he bought it, and I will walk through the list of modifications he did. I'm hoping to be able to hit them all because it's a very extensive list. So one of the first things you'll notice is the gold wheels. They are method wheels. Method wheels with Yokohama Geolander ATs, which have less than like 3,000 miles on them. They are absolutely brand new, great shape. He also did a ton of suspension modification, maybe hard to tell. Springs, shocks, track bars, steering stabilizers, a whole host of stuff. You can see the brand there. This truck has full-length running boards. He also went ahead and splurged and bought the matching spare with the matching wheel and tire. We pulled it out so you guys will be able to see it in the video. The gentleman also put new leaf springs, bags, and shocks in the rear. Put a steps to make it easier to get in the bed. Take you back here, you can see the new shocks, calipers. He put new calipers on it. This truck is super nice. You can see where the bag fill-up is. Bed's still in great shape, super nice, doesn't even hardly look used. He put a Banks exhaust kit on it, which gave this truck a lot of tone and a lot of noise, and it sounds really great. Kind of walk you through this here. So we put the center cap back here so you can see it, matching center cap and everything. Interior, killer shape. Seats fold up, this folds out so it's flat through the whole thing. Put a set of mats in it, front and rears. Gray to match the color of everything on the inside. See this truck, power lock, power windows, WeatherTech's front and rear. You can see all that. Power seating. So I will walk over to the driver's side and show you what he did on the inside. First thing, went ahead and did the Edge Insight Monitor, tuned the truck. Got a brake controller, has a 5-position switch tune. Typically these will go stock, light tow, heavy tow, street, and performance. That's the usual they'll do. Truck has heated seats, sliding back glass. He also put this in, which is the secondary set of cup holders. And start it up. Whoops. So as you can see, he only put a few thousand. We're up to 30,575 miles. See the inside pops right on. I'll walk around the outside while it's running. throttle. Focus 30,575. So I'm gonna walk you around here now and show you a couple of the imperfections we've noticed. So to start, this truck has, it might be kind of hard to see on video, but it has a really shallow dent right here. And kind of get the reflection off the wall. Really shallow on the tailgate. And then it has a scratch and dent just behind the bumper right here. And then we walk down, it has a couple nicks right here, and then it has a really small scratch right here, and then just above it, make sure I can get these on video. There you go, just above it, travels out. A couple of rock chips right here. Another little rock chip up here. It has this little scratch right there in the door. Just generic, you know, rock chips as well, just around the truck. He also put new headlights in it, I forgot to mention that. Front bumper has a few little nicks here and there. It's pretty typical for a truck of this year. And then in the interior, about the only thing I noticed is this passenger seat right here has it's about a third of the size of my fingernail. Little scuffs, little rips in it. A little bit of damage here, maybe from someone's pants having too much bedazzle on them or something. But other than that, that's about the only things I noticed on this truck. It's in really great shape. I mean, that's just a few very minor things about it. So if you're interested in this truck or any other trucks you may see on this channel, feel free to reach out to us on any social media at Enterprise Motorsports, or call us at 417-720-4995.